Good morning. Does the word bullying mean anything to you? I hear about children being bullied, and it pains my soul. Where does that come from? Children learn to follow what they see and experience. But we go to the Book of Wisdom today, and there's a similar story in there. Let's beset him, the just one, for he is obnoxious to us. And so we've got to be very careful that bullying is something we abhor and we keep out of our lives, not only towards children, but towards people in our neighborhood, in the workplace, in our lives who are a little different. And the human family would not be complete without having people who are a little different. And it is not any reason for us to mimic what was done to our Lord, what was done to the Holy One. We cannot bully or find someone obnoxious.